This is India Today exclusive that we are getting you. Two Lashkar terrorists who managed to give slip to security forces in Badipora after a brief encounter. India Today has been able to access images of these two Lashkar terrorists believed to be Pakistani nationals. My colleague Ashraf joining us to give us more details. Yes, Ashraf, go ahead.
Devna, basically, these are the two pictures of two Lashkar commanders who had been trapped yesterday in a brief encounter in Badipora. There was a tip-off with the security forces, army and police. On that tip-off, they coordinated off the Badipora village Ajar, where these two Lashkar commanders managed to flee. But interesting thing is that these two terrorists of Lashkar-e-Toiba are very hardcore. They have infiltrated into Jammu and Kashmir via line of control in the month of August, and they have recently infiltrated and have managed to establish some kind of logistic and other support for the Lashkar-e-Toiba here in the North Kashmir. So the security forces are after them. They are managing to get input so that they could be neutralized or arrested. But so far what our sources have said that these both Lashkar commanders who are code-named as Abu Ujanma and Abu Zubair are basically with the sophisticated training, with the sophisticated tactics they are adopting. They are not allowing any kind of source to penetrate inside them. There were some inputs with the army, but what they have learned that these both Lashkar commanders are so trained by the Lashkar operatives across the LOC that they are giving a kind of run for the security forces. Because earlier we have seen hundreds of militants have been killed, particularly of Lashkar-e-Toiba in the Kashmir Valley, and it was easy for security agencies to penetrate in these small groups of infiltrators. But these two have so far managed to give slip to the security agencies at two occasions, and that is something concerning for the security agencies. But so far the police as well as the army is saying that they are tracking by the other means their movements, and probably they will get these two Lashkar commanders very soon who are operating in North
Security
Kashmir.
forces closing in on Abu Ukasha and Abu Mawia.